Okay, let it be a lesson to all fly fishermen to carry the necessary equipment. We're going on Operation Rescue Permit. This poor little fish caught it. Perfect scenario. I cast it to the tail of a manatee and boom, got the take. He took it deep. He's still alive. I'm hoping I can rescue him. Whew. Operation Permit. If I can get the hook out safely and he swims away, it'll be a good endeavor. A couple kayakers out there. Operation Permit. He's on the bottom. Not good. But he's okay. Oh boy. Which way is the fly? Almost. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. He's swimming. Operation Permit. Operation Permit.